Sairam, welcome to Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes. Let's learn English series with Mrs. Kalpana Heblekar. Today we are going to do articles part 2. Okay, so we have to do a recap of the articles what we have done in the previous class. So when should we use a, an and the in the sentences? Okay, so now there are many sentences which we have done and we have got a doubt when to use a, when to use an, that is an, and the the. Okay, so let us see quickly. Let's do a quick recap. Okay, now we have the alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yes, now you will tell why ma'am is telling again the letters, A, B, C, D and all that. But listen, till we have a perfection, we have to keep revising, okay? So always there is an opportunity for us to correct ourselves and rectify our mistakes. Yes, now this in red color, you have seen, these are all the vowels. Very good. A, E, I, O and U. These are the 5 vowels. Okay. So now let us see. So the words starting with the vowels should have an in front of the word. Now did you understand? Yes. Now what did you understand by this? So whenever the word, any word starts with a, okay, it should have an before it. Okay. For example, an apple. See, A. A is a vowel, right? Then we have second vowel is E. E. An egg. Yes. An iron box. An ice cream. Okay. An orange. An umbrella. Understood? So, whichever word when it starts with A, E, I, O, U, then blindly put an before it. Okay. So, I hope you have understood this. Very good. So now we will see the types of articles, indefinite articles. Now what do you mean by indefinite articles? There are 2 types of articles, definite articles and indefinite articles. Okay. A is used not for a specific or a unique thing. Okay. So it needn't be a unique or a specific thing. Then if it is, then use A. An is used before vowels A, E, I, O, U. Exception is H. Yes, H is an exception. Then definite article. Definite article is what? The, T-H-E, the, okay, is used before specific or unique thing. Specific or unique thing, okay. So now let us see what are these. This is a book. Is it not a specific book? This is not a specific book, okay. It is a book, okay. Then I am sitting on a bench. Yes, very good. I am sitting on a bench. Yes, all of you have guessed correctly. Now I saw a cat. Yes. I have a car. Okay. Then I bought a shirt for my father and a sari for my mother. Don't worry, this is a big sentence, but only small words are put together. Okay. So it is not a very big and difficult sentence. So now onwards, see, we have learned English so many lessons, right? Now you have to make little big sentences. Okay. Yes. He plays with a toy dragon. He plays with a toy dragon. Okay? Yes. She says that she saw a fish in the pond. She says that she saw a fish in the pond. Very good. Then we have a friend in need is a friend indeed. Now, what do you mean by that? This is a very, in-depth thinking sentence. A friend in need. So whenever you are in need and when a friend comes and helps you, he is your true friend. Okay. Now here we can say that, worldly friends, that is, we say that he is my best friend, she is my best friend. But when you go to see, when we are real problem, then our best friends don't come with us, they all leave us. Okay. Only our true friend is our Hridaya Nivasi. Who is he? Yes, God. God is staying in our heart. He is always waiting when we will call him. So he is the only friend whom at the beck of a call, as soon as we call, he will come to us running. Okay. So always depend on God, not on worldly friends. So, but there is a saying that a friend in need is a friend indeed. So always remember, those who ditch you when you are in need, they are not your good friends. Okay. So they will only come when you are in a happy state, or when you have lot of money, or when you are very comfortable, and when you have to give them comfortable, they will be joining you. But when you are really in need, they all will say some excuse and run away. But God is not like that. Even if you don't have money, even if you don't have any comforts or anything, but if you remember him, he will just come running. Just try. Okay, let us all try. Yes, that is a goat. That is a goat. There is a gate in front of the house. There is a gate in front of the house. Yes. Then we have a horse is a domestic animal. Yes, a horse is a domestic animal. In future classes, we will learn what are domestic animals and what are wild animals. Okay. For the time being, you learn this domestic word properly. domestic. Domestic. What do you mean by domestic? I'll tell you shortly. Domestic means the ones whom you can tame and make them stay in your houses or near your houses. Okay. Why near your houses? Cow you can't keep inside the house, right? Okay. You have to keep outside your house in the cow shed. Yes. A house is a place where we stay. A house is a place where we stay. Yes. This is a jug. This is a jug. Yes. There is a jewelry exhibition. There is a jewelry exhibition. Now, what do you mean by jewelry exhibition? See, there are many goldsmiths, right, who make gold. There are many companies also who make lot of jewelries. Okay. So, they all come together. See, we can't go to each and every jeweler, isn't it? We will go to a jeweler who is nearby our house. But when we go to an exhibition, that time all these jewelry people, those who are manufacturing jewelry, they all will come and put their stalls, small shops, like, it is called stalls. So in that stalls, they will display their products so that you can see. So jewelry exhibition. So this is a kite flying festival. Okay, kite flying festival. So there is a kitten under the table. Okay, there is a kitten under the table. Yes, there is a lion in the zoo. There is a lion in the zoo. Yes, this is a monkey. This is a monkey. Yes, there is a man at the door. Okay, somebody is knocking. Knock, 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 knock. Okay, and you want to tell your mom or your brother or your sister to go and open the door. Yes, so you are telling there is a man at the door. Okay, or when you are opening, you are telling your mom that there is a man at the door, mom. Yes, very good. Okay, this is a net. This is a net. I want a nail to hang the photo. I want a nail to hang the photo. See? Yes, this is a peacock. This is a peacock. So now you might have seen that all the consonants, no, the word starting with the consonants will have a before it. A, that is a. Okay. This is a peacock. There is a post office near my house. There is a post office near my house. There is a long queue for the tickets. There is a long queue for the tickets. Yes. This is a quilt. You know, quilt? What do you mean by quilt? The razai, or the pullovers what we have when we sleep at night when it is cold time, you keep it. Okay, that is called as quilt. This is a quilt. I saw a rat. You want to tell your friend, I saw a rat. Yes. Then this is a rock mountain. Yes, this is a rock mountain. So now you have to find out, this is a general knowledge question. So you can find out where are the rock mountains in India. Okay? Yes. Then Radha sang a song. Yes, Radha sang a song. This is a round circle. This is a round circle. Okay? And this is a wedding ring. This is a wedding ring. This is a watch. Yes, this is a watch. Now, what do you remember when I told you last time? Watch. W-A-T-C-H. So, we should always remember when we see this word watch, what it reminds you? Yes, very good. Watch your words, watch your actions, watch your thoughts, watch your character, and watch your heart and habits. Okay? So, watch. This is a yellow bag. This is a yellow bag. This is a yo-yo. You know yo-yo, which we bounce and play? Yes. This is a yo-yo. This is a zebra. This is a zebra. This is a zip. Okay? Yes. So now, thank you for watching Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes. Let's Learn English series with Mrs. Kalpana Heblekar. And I hope you study the previous article lessons and also the vowels, consonant sounds and many other lessons we have covered to improve your English day by day. I have made it a point to make very small snippets of these videos so that it will be easy for you to listen within a very short time, that is 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay. So visit us again and again. Thank you. Sai Ram.